Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the mean and the standard deviation of 100 observation was calculated as 40 and 5.1 respectively by the student who took by mistake 50 instead of 40 for one observation. Now look at this. So the number of observation is 100. Okay. The wrong mean. Okay. So wrong mean is 40. Wrong mean is 40 and standard deviation. Wrong variance is square of 5.1. Square of 5.1 is what? Like it is 26.01. Okay. So instead of working on standard deviation, work on variance. Okay. Now, wrong observation. Suppose wrong observation. You know that the wrong observation was 50. Okay. And here you have to take correct observation. Correct observation is 40. So this is the idea. Now you have to find out the correct mean and the correct standard deviation. So look at this, how we will solve this question. So first we will try to find out the correct mean. Now you know that this stage is what? Wrong. Okay. So you know that mean is what? Sum of all the elements by the number of elements. Since wrong mean is 40 and the number of observation is 100, so can I say it is 4000? So sum of wrong numbers is what? This is sum of wrong numbers. Now correct stage, this is wrong stage. Okay. Now look at this. So you know that for correct mean, what we will do? Sum of all the elements. So sum of all the elements. Now from this sum we will remove the wrong observation. Wrong observation is 50, so we will subtract 50. Instead of 50 we will introduce 40 and then divided by the number of numbers. So it is 10, 10 is 39.90. So can I go with 39.90? Therefore the correct mean is what? 39.90. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now again wrong stage. Okay. Wrong stage. So here if you are handling wrong stage, everything will be wrong. Okay. Now, so look at this. So if you are handling wrong stage, I am talking about the variance. Variance will be what? Variance will be summation xi square, wrong summation. Okay. Now this thing will be 100 minus wrong mean square. Okay, so this is wrong stage. So all the time you are having wrong thing. Okay, so you know that the variance is 26.01. Now summation xi square of the wrong things is this. The wrong mean was what? 40. So 40 square is what? This is okay. Now send this thing this side. So it is summation xi wrong. Okay. So this thing will go this side. So it will become 1626 0.01. So I can multiply by 100. So it is 162601. So this is wrong square of all the elements. Okay. Now we will introduce the correct stage. Correct stage. Now this time we will get correct things. So correct stage, we will have summation xi square. From this we will remove the square of the wrong element. So the wrong element was 50. So it is 50 square will be subtracted. We will introduce the correct element square. So it is 40 square. Then the number of numbers. Okay, and then we will subtract the real square of mean. So real mean is what? 39.90 square. Okay, now look at this. So it is 162601. It is a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b is 90, and then a minus b you have to apply. Now, so if you will solve this thing, you guys will get 161701 by 100. And if you will find, like, instead of writing 100, just put decimal. And if you'll find out the square of 39.90, that thing you have to do it manually. Okay, so please do it. I have already done this thing. So 1592.01, we cannot simplify. Okay, you will invest time into it. You have no way out. Now if you will subtract these things, so we will be having 25. Okay, so this is your variance, but we are interested in finding what? The standard deviation. For standard deviation we will have 5. Okay, so the correct, I'll go with 5. So the correct mean is what? 39.9. Correct standard deviation is what? 5. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.